Guys, so today I'm going to be creating another look with the new Nomad Cosmetics Fairy Tale Europe palette, and this is what the color story looks like. I do have a full review already up on my channels. I have that video linked up above in case you want to check it out, but this is a beautiful 18 pan palette full of matte and shimmer shadows, and today I'm just going to show you a quick, simple, easy look, a neutral look that you can get from this otherwise colorful palette. Let's get started. So on my Refer 212, I'll be dipping into this first shade down here, and I'm going to try and use some shades that I didn't get to use in the first two looks that I created. And you know what? Let me zoom you guys in a little bit closer. I want to thank all of you who helped me yesterday in the community section of my YouTube channel. I asked you guys, what content do you all want to see? A lot of it I'm already doing, but there's a few more things that I can definitely incorporate into my channel. This is a new video for me, a new style of video. I want to try and make these quick little tutorial videos so that I can revisit a palette that I recently reviewed and give you guys another look and just see, you know, again, how it's going to perform. I've been able to stretch out my palette review days to 2 days where I can create 2 full looks. So this is going to be the third full look that you get from me from this new Nomad Cosmetics palette. It is in stock right now, and if you'd like to purchase, my affiliate code Steff10 will save you 10% off. Now with that same brush, I'm going to dip into this, actually no, this shade right here. Focus that also in the crease. And these little videos are just something that I feel I want to do just so that I can give you guys some more inspiration and, you know, using it for a third time, especially on camera, maybe I will be able to catch a couple things that I didn't in my initial filming with the palette. So expect to see more videos like this going forward. I'm sure you guys noticed I do have a new intro. I've updated my banner over on my YouTube channel, and also my end screen is updated. So I'm just trying to, you know, make little changes here and there, and I just want to be able to make these videos so again I can provide more information, give you guys some more thoughts on the palette. And I think, again, like I said in the first video, the matte shades really do blend out beautifully. You have a nice mixture of cool tones and warm tones. And this palette, again, it is in stock. I forget the price. I want to say it could be around $52, not entirely sure. But it is also I believe it's going to be a permanent, at least for a while, in their collection. Now in a BK211, I'm going to dip into the darker brown shade, and I'm going to focus this right out here. These are the traditional steps that I take when creating a look. Usually do something light and then in the crease, and then something darker in the outer corner. I'm sure a lot of you do the same exact thing. Just making sure my microphone is on. I charged them last night, so they should be good to go for the next couple weeks. And this is going to be just a quick, easy, neutral look with an otherwise colorful palette. So I hope you're able to find these little quick tutorials helpful. The time I'm filming, not too sure yet what I'm calling them. You guys already know, you can see it in the title. But yeah, it's just something that I felt I needed to do just to revisit the palette on camera and give you guys some more inspo, some more options. I think that looks really good. We got a quick and easy blend from these matte shadows. Now, I really want to jump into this shade right here, so I think I'm going to do this on the lid. And I'm using my trusted Morphe M124 to apply. This is more like a rose gold shade, but I think it just has a beautiful undertone and a beautiful shimmer about it. And as you can see, this is definitely a neutral look, something very wearable to work. And it's not taking me much time to create it, which is good because I know a lot of us, we don't have time in the morning to create a look. And usually I'll lay down some shimmer primer, but I didn't because I'm trying to be quick about it. I just got a little bit of fallout, but it's a light shade and we can wipe that off. No problem there. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to go back in with this shade right here. I'm using a Refer 13 Mini to apply. Now if you wanted to add some color to this look, you could very easily do a colorful shade on the lower lash line. That would be really fun, and it wouldn't take up a lot of real estate here on the eye area just because the lower lash line is very small and it wouldn't look like a complete colorful look. So it's a safe way to incorporate color if you aren't really sure or maybe a little nervous or maybe you can't wear full-on colorful looks to work. Just know doing something like this or just something in the inner corner or in the lower waterline, that's an easy way to incorporate color. Now I'm going to bring a little bit of gold into the mix and I'm going to dip into this shade right here for the inner corner. I'm using a damp Refer 03 to apply. These shimmers definitely pack a punch, whether you just spray them or you use a shimmer primer. Either way, you can see just how impactful that is. Now, maybe you're finding that this is a bit too colorful. You don't have to do this. You could have just dragged down the same shade and put it in the inner corner. I'm just trying to use some more shades that I wasn't too sure of that I used in the first couple looks. Okay, now I'm going to add some eyeliner, and I usually use a black liquid eyeliner, and I just tightline my top lash line. I keep it really thin. I don't often do a wing. I don't know necessarily that I like the way a wing looks on me. I just like a good little tight line like that. And I don't often do the eyeliner on camera, but you know, trying something different, trying new types of videos. I'm going to use my BK Beauty eyelash curler. And I know you guys still love to see full face of new makeup. You still love your drugstore makeup. You love dedicated palette reviews, which I'm so glad about that. And you also want more Shop My Stash, which I am going to do a dedicated Shop My Stash video once a week. And I think I'm going to call it Shop My Stash Sunday. So that's something that I'm going to be working on. And the thing with that is I don't really want to commit to certain days because there's days that I'm able to film in the morning and then there's days that I'm not able to film. And then once I get home from work, sometimes I can film, sometimes I'm just drained and all I can do is edit. So that's typically been my schedule. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this Moira Peach eyeliner just to give my eyes a bit of a wide open effect. Something light and bright in the lower waterline really helps to just open up the eye. And I think this look is complete. What do you guys think? That was quick, that was easy, that did not take me long. Again, I used the Nomad Fairy Tale Europe palette. This palette's still in stock right now. Affiliate code Steff10 saves you 10% off. Let me know if you picked this beauty up. I will have all of the makeup that I'm wearing linked and listed in the description box in case you're curious. But I hope you enjoyed this new style of video for me. This one probably took a little bit longer than the other ones will. These are going to take about 5, 6, maybe 7 minutes at the most. I'm going to try and keep it between 5 and 6 minutes. But it's just another way for me to recreate use a palette that has recently come out that I've already reviewed and just give you guys some more inspo and just see if the palette is still performing the way it should. Let me know what you thought about this style of video, kind of quick, informal. But as always, thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night, wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'm going to see you guys very soon. Bye.